The journey begins at the foot of Kanchenjunga, where the air is crisp and invigorating, filling your lungs with the essence of the earth. The towering peaks of the world's third highest mountain rise majestically against the azure sky, their snow-capped summits glistening in the sunlight. This is a land where nature reigns supreme, a tapestry of diverse landscapes woven together by the threads of ancient cultures. As you set forth on your trek, the path winds through lush forests, the vibrant greens of the foliage contrasting sharply with the stark whites of the mountains above. The soothing sounds of nature envelop you, the rustle of leaves, the distant call of birds, and the gentle babble of crystal-clear streams. You find yourself walking through remote villages, where the Rai and Limbu communities greet you with warmth and hospitality. Their smiles are genuine, their eyes sparkling with stories waiting to be shared. You pause to engage with them, learning about their rich traditions and customs that have been passed down through generations. The Rai people, with their intricate weaving and vibrant festivals, invite you to witness a dance that celebrates the harvest, their movements echoing the rhythm of the earth. The Limbu, with their deep connection to the mountains, share tales of their ancestors, instilling in you a profound respect for the land. Each interaction is a reminder of the resilience and harmony that defines this remarkable country. As you journey westward, the landscape transforms dramatically, leading you into the heart of Sagarmatha National Park, home to the iconic Everest region. The air grows thinner, and a sense of reverence washes over you as you stand beneath the colossal Mount Everest. The mountain looms above, its imposing presence both intimidating and awe-inspiring. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is not just a geographical marvel. It is a testament to the thriving Sherpa culture that has flourished in its shadow for centuries. You wander through the lively streets of Namche Bazaar, where the aroma of freshly baked bread wafts through the air, mingling with the sounds of local chatter and laughter. In Namche, you discover a vibrant market bustling with life. Sherpas barter and trade, their voices a harmonious blend of languages. You indulge in a warm cup of butter tea, its rich flavor wrapping around you like a comforting embrace. The warmth of the people and the community spirit is palpable, and you feel a sense of belonging, even as a traveler. The next day, you set out to visit the serene Tengboche Monastery, perched on a hill overlooking the valley. As you approach, the golden stupa gleams in the morning light, a beacon of peace amid the rugged terrain. Inside, monks chant in rhythmic harmony, their voices rising and falling like the gentle whispers of the wind. You close your eyes, allowing the sacred sounds to envelop you, transporting you to a place of tranquility and reflection. Your journey continues as you descend into the Kathmandu Valley, a vibrant blend of history and spirituality. Here, the air is thick with the scent of incense and the sounds of prayer flags fluttering in the breeze. The valley is dotted with breathtaking UNESCO World Heritage Sites, each telling a story of its own. You explore the intricate carvings of Pashupatinath Temple, where sacred rituals unfold alongside the flowing river. The devotion of the pilgrims is palpable, their prayers rising like smoke into the sky. You watch as offerings are made, the vibrant colors of marigolds and the flickering flames creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Climbing the steps of Swayambhunath, known as the Monkey Temple, you are rewarded with panoramic views of the valley below. The sight is breathtaking. Ancient temples and modern life coexist in a vibrant tapestry. Monkeys playfully swing from the trees, adding a touch of mischief to the sacred atmosphere. As you stand atop the stupa, the wind tousles your hair, and you feel a deep connection to the history that surrounds you. The ancient cities of Bhaktapur and Patan beckon, their stunning architecture and rich histories inviting you to step back in time. You wander through narrow alleyways, marveling at the intricate woodwork and the artistry that adorns every building. And then there is the food, a celebration of Nepalese culinary heritage. You savor the steam rising from a plate of momo, the dumplings bursting with flavor, each bite a delightful experience. The comforting flavors of dal bhat warm your soul, a reminder of the simplicity and richness of life in Nepal. You share meals with locals, exchanging stories and laughter, forging connections that transcend language and culture. Traveling south, you reach Lumbini, the serene birthplace of Lord Buddha. This sacred site offers an oasis of peace and tranquility, a stark contrast to the bustling energy of Kathmandu. As you stroll through the quiet monastic zones, silence envelops you, and the air is filled with a sense of reverence. The Maya Devi Temple, the heart of Lumbini, stands as a testament to devotion and spirituality. You take a moment to meditate, allowing the calmness to wash over you, connecting with the essence of this sacred ground. The gentle rustle of leaves and the distant sound of chanting create an atmosphere conducive to reflection, encouraging you to delve deep within yourself. In Lumbini, you witness the diverse tapestry of Buddhism as practitioners from around the world gather to pay homage. Each monastery tells a unique story, adorned with art and architecture that reflects the cultural heritage of its origin. You engage in conversations with fellow travelers and monks, sharing insights and experiences that enrich your understanding of this ancient philosophy. The sense of community is palpable, a reminder that despite the vastness of the world, we are all connected through shared values and beliefs. As your epic journey through Nepal unfolds, you find yourself transformed by the landscapes, the people, and the stories that have shaped this remarkable country. Each step taken, each interaction experienced, becomes a thread in the fabric of your own narrative. The majestic mountains, the vibrant cultures, and the serene temples weave together to create an unforgettable tapestry of adventure and discovery. You leave Nepal not just as a traveler, but as a part of its story, carrying with you the essence of its beauty and the spirit of its people as you continue your journey through life. In the heart of the Himalayas, the Sherpas rise with the sun, their silhouettes framed against the towering peaks that have cradled their lives for generations. Each morning, the crisp air fills their lungs, and the world awakens around them. Climbing is not just a profession, it is a sacred tradition woven into the very fabric of their existence. As they prepare for the day's ascent, they gather, exchanging tales of their ancestors, stories of courage and resilience that echo through the valleys. With each step on the treacherous paths, they guide climbers, not merely as instructors, but as custodians of the mountain's spirit. The Sherpas infuse every ascent with purpose, reminding others of the profound connection between humanity and nature. The mountains are their home, a living testament to their strength and harmony with the world around them. In the embrace of the Himalayas, they embody a legacy of endurance, their lives a beautiful tapestry of reverence and adventure. The Gurkha warriors, hailing from the rugged terrains of Nepal, embody a legacy of bravery and resilience that has captivated the world for centuries. Their history intertwines with the British and Indian armies, beginning in the early 19th century when their fierce fighting spirit caught the attention of British officers during the Anglo-Nepalese War. With their iconic kukri knives and unparalleled courage, Gurkhas quickly became renowned for their loyalty and combat skills, earning a place in the hearts of those they served alongside. Rooted in a rich cultural heritage, the Gurkhas uphold values of honor and duty, often drawn from their deep connections to family and land. Their legendary status is not merely a product of their battlefield prowess. It is also a testament to their unwavering commitment to protect and serve. Today, Gurkhas continue to serve with distinction, their legacy a powerful reminder of the bond forged through shared sacrifice and valor.